learn She's an American Girl. It's choreographed by Tammy Bosse. It is a 32 count, 4-wall, high improver level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the ending, and then we're going to go through and do 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn She Was an American Girl. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to rock our right foot to the right side, recover onto your left, and we're going to do a right crossing shuffle that slightly travels forwards, crossing our right over our left. Step your left foot to the left side, cross your right over your left. We're now going to rock our left foot to the left side, recover onto our right, and we're going to do a left crossing shuffle that slightly travels forward, crossing that left over our right, right foot to the side, cross our left over our right. So let's try that with some counts. Rocking to the right, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to rock forward with our right foot, recover onto your left. We're going to do a half shuffle, starting by making a quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side. Step your left next to your right, and then make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 6 o'clock. You're now going to step forward with your left, touch your right next to your left, and then we're going to do a kickball step, kicking our right foot low and forward. Quickly step your right next to your left, and then step your left foot slightly forward. So let's try that with some counts. We just finished our crossing shuffle facing 12 o'clock. We're going to rock with our right. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to do a syncopated Monterey quarter turn. So we're going to point our right toe to the right side, slightly angling our body to the left. You're now going to quickly make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, turning on the ball of your left foot and stepping your right next to your left. You're now going to point your left toe to the left side and step your left next to your right. We're going to rock forward with our right foot, recover back onto your left, and quickly step your right next to your left. Rock forward with your left foot, recover back onto your right, quickly step your left next to your right, and then we're going to stomp our right foot twice. Stomp, stomp. When you do this stomp, you do not want to take any weight on that foot. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just done our kickball step. You're going to do your syncopated Monterey turn. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, you're going to take your right heel, place it forward. Quickly step your right next to your left and place your left heel forward. Quickly step your left next to your right and touch your right toe next to your left. We're now going to quickly step our right foot slightly back and place your left heel forward. You're going to step your left next to your right. We're now going to rock our right foot to the right side, recover onto your left, and we're going to do a modified sailor step. So we're going to cross our right behind our left, step your left foot out to the left side, and then touch your right next to your left, and that is the end of the dance. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our right stomps. You're going to do your heel switches. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. At this point, you will start over again with your side rock crossing shuffle. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left foot. We're starting with our side rock crossing shuffle. So side rock, crossing shuffle, side rock, crossing shuffle, rock, recover, half shuffle, step, touch, kick, fall, step, Monterey quarter turn, rock, recover, ball, rock, recover, ball, stomp, stomp, heel step, touch step, heel step, rock, recover, and your sailor with a touch. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your side rock crossing shuffle. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now you will go around 1 full time. When we start doing wall 6, which will be the second time that you're doing the side wall, this is going to be the final wall of your dance. You're going to dance 30 counts, which is up to your side rock. You're going to leave off your sailor with a touch, and we're just going to cross and half unwind to the front to end facing 12 o'clock. So you're just leaving off that sailor, changing it to a cross unwind to end facing 12 o'clock. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. Weight is on your left foot. We're starting with our side rock. Side rock, crossing shuffle. Side rock, crossing shuffle. Rock, recover, half shuffle. Step, touch, kickball step. Monterey quarter with your rock, recover, ball, rock, recover, ball, stomp, stomp. Now your heel step, tap, step, heel step, side rock, recover, sailor with a touch, start over. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Side rock, crossing shuffle, side rock, crossing shuffle, rock, recover, half shuffle. Now your step, touch, kickball step. Monterey quarter turn, forward rock, recover, ball, stomp, stomp. Heel step, tap step, heel step, side rock, recover, sailor with a touch, side rock. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use a timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn She Was an American Girl. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.